Hello everyone, take these strips of paper of this measurement as shown in the video and now stick them together as if you are making a cylinder. Like this, we have made different rings of different colors and tie them together like this. Now use that strip to make a snail body. Now use a straw and insert it into the hole and like this. Yes, we have used it to make the eyes of the snail. Take a paper cup and trace out the heart like this and the leaf-like structure and this structure also. Now cut them out like this. Yes, we have made a fish out of a paper cup. Now use the sketch pen, make some details at the eye. Now take a sheet of paper, fold it like this as shown in the video. You just have to follow the process but do it really carefully and neatly. Do not miss any of these steps and stick it like this and make many more of them and stick them together and you will see a beautiful colorful flower is ready. Add the straw. Wow, these flowers are looking so beautiful. Now take a paper cup, make the marking like this using a pencil and now press it and cut out the end of the paper cup. Now use the scissors, cut these strips like this. Yes, now spread it out and fold these strips like this making a mat-like structure. Just like this you have to fold these strips. Yes, as if you have made a hat. Now add the butterfly. Thanks for watching.